Alright, hello you guys, this is HotPod Tech Shop 51545, and today I'm going to do a little review on an app called Rename, and you can get this from Cydia. Alright, what you can do in here is like, you can rename stuff, like, as you see this is called Cydia. I just click on it and I can name it Apps, and hit Rename right here, and all these go to home screen, and it names, whoops, hold on. Rename. Oh, and it'll restart the springboard, and this will go away. So I'll come back to you guys when it's done with spring. Alright, and as you see right now, it's named Apps. And to preview this to Cydia, just click on that, and Cydia will pop up. And next, I'm going to show you guys how to get it. So stay tuned. Be right back.